welcome to another video, and today we are doing a house tour. House? Studio? Well, it is what it is. But today you are coming with me to see everything we have here in our small studio in Dee Why, New South Wales or Sydney. We only pay $260 per week, so come and join me in this studio tour. Well, some people told me Australians are very supportive in YouTube, so if you can leave a like and a sub to understand if you are actually very supportive. And let's go to this studio tour. First of all, it's getting very hot in here, so just let me turn on this air conditioner. If you come this way, we are here in the living room. We don't watch TV a lot because, well, first of all, we have the computer. We prefer to watch some Netflix or stuff, but we have our TV with internet. I really recommend you to buy some internet if you come to one of these houses, or if you come to anywhere to rent a house here in Australia. Just buy your internet, because supposedly we had internet in this house, but the internet is so bad. Basically, we got more data in our mobile phone, and it's very easy. If you want to use in our PC, we can use it, but my recommendation is, if you want to have internet in your house, just buy something like some small device to have internet in your house. But yeah, this is a living room. As you can see, we have here a small pillow. You can sit here and watch some TV. TV is there. We can cook over there as well. I can show you the small kitchen we have, but it's more than enough for us, so come with me. We have here a countertop and a microwave. The countertop, we have two of them. We can use one to boil, we can use another one to fry, and for us it's more than enough because we are just two of us, so for us it's more than enough. If you join me to the room, as you can see, we have our bed over here. It's not small, it's a double bed. It's more than enough for both of us. We never kick each other outside of the bedroom, so it's perfect. The bed is a perfect fit. We have a beautiful view over there. We have a beautiful view in front of us. And well, for us, obviously this is a studio. It's small, but normally when we saw a studio, it's much smaller than this. It didn't have these conditions. So we are very happy we found this small studio for $260 each per week. You can't find it here. It's almost impossible to find a good and living space like ours. So we are pretty happy with what we found. But this is our small studio. So let's go to the bathroom now. And I think you'll be very surprised. We are in the bathroom here. We have space for just one of us here outside. But inside, we can fit like 3 people. So this is big, this is gigantic, as you can see. I can put it even higher if I want to. There is no need about that. It's a very big bathroom, it's more than enough for us. Normally we spend our time here. The most of the time is in the living room because, well, this view is just unbelievable. As you can see, we love it. We have so much trees, so much green space over here, outside as well. But as you know, we don't choose the space just because it's pretty, just because it's new. The neighborhood here, it's amazing. We can see just families around. We can see some Brazilian people, so we can speak the same languages. And we are 10 minutes away from the beach, so for us it's amazing. If we are having a bad day, we just get out of the door, walk 10 minutes, and we are in the beach. So for us it's amazing. And honestly, I couldn't choose a better place to live. This house is a bit small, but we want to be here as well. So if we can find one, perfect. If we don't, we are okay as well, because the place is amazing. We are close to everything. We have a Woolworths like 7 minutes ago from here. We have a Coles 5 minutes away from here. So we have everything we need so close to our house. It's just a good environment, a good neighborhood. It was a very important thing to choose this place because we feel so safe, we feel so in home. We feel that it was probably the best decision we could take. If you enjoyed this video, just leave a like, a sub would be much appreciated, and we see you soon.